slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hi automotive lovers, welcome back to the Wreck Trends channel. BMW team prepares to have 13 BEVs or pure EVs in its lineup by 2023 to achieve what it terms an ICE restriction all set status. The array will continue broadening in the mid-decade duration and also needs to consist of a BMW i2, BMW X2 Electric, as we review in this story. Our BMW i2 Provide shows a smooth and also stylish SUV that obtains layout aspects from the first ever 9-1. The provided 9-2 includes an almost square BMW kidney grille and flush door deals with, and also it has an extra muscular hood as well as angular front lights. The electrical powertrain of the BMW is subtly met with blue accents on the bumpers, kidney grille, and also rocker panels. This gives the automobile an one-of-a-kind feel without interrupting the style formula. With brief overhangs, a coupe-style roofline, and also slim home window graphics, the BMW X2 appeals to young and also extrovert clients that desire something sportier than the X1. In the inbound model, anticipate a drag coefficient less than that of the 3rd Gen X1, 0.27 CD, and also a techier interior with the BMW Curve Present comprising a completely electronic instrument collection as well as a central display on a curving one-piece screen, BMW iDrive 8 OS, 5G connectivity, and more. It's not only the exterior as well as the powertrain that the 2024 BMW i2 will certainly acquire from the 9-1. BMW's future electric SAV is also expected to share the bells as well as whistles found in the cabin of the 9-1. The first test prototypes of the BMW X2 Electric have actually been found by automotive digital photographers in Europe. Determined by the electrified lorry badge on the doors and the absence of exhaust suggestions, the 9-2 has begun clocking test miles in advance of its possible globe debut in 2023. The guidance as per BMWBlog is that the next Gen X2, BMW U10, will certainly go into manufacturing in November 2023, which means that the all-electric 9-2 might go on sale in the initial 50% of 2024. Production of the first Gen X2 has actually finished, a BMW the United States and Canada representative confirmed to CarBuzz in October 2022, while additionally suggesting that a second-gen design remains in the pipeline. Thank you for watching!